Alright, so like Rohini said, this is my first time here. So I've never done stand-up before, so I hope you're going to be nice. But even if you're not nice, what the fuck am I going to do about it, huh? So like I can fight you fuckers, I mean, hence the muscle T. So yeah, I mean, I thought I'd start with something, I'm very familiar with. My size. One of the first things you realize growing up when you're thin is that, boss, fighting's not for you. Fighting is not for you. You are not a fighter. Bruce Lee was a fighter. Jackie Chan's a fighter. You're a bleeder. Okay, plain and simple. It's like the Natasha Bedingfield song, but with a slightly different lyric. I bleed easily. So, but the one good thing about being thin and not fighting is you spend a lot of time observing fights. Fights that you started like, I'm gonna kick his Sushil, beat his ass. You can do it. That's one kind of fight. And the other kind of fight is, starts like this. Cube, what the, what? And then, you have other people go in front and then that's the fight. So yeah. So you spend a lot of time observing fights. And the one thing I've noticed is that, big people who can kick your ass, make threats. And the one thing I've noticed about threats is that the more serious the threat depends on how realistic it is. So when people say, like if Sushil says, the next motherfucker to touch that cookie, I will break his arm off. It's very clear. He will break your arm off and you can visualize that. You're like, fuck, I happen to be very attached to my arms, I like them. I don't want that. Or like, Rohini, like, I will swift kick you in the nuts. Like, fuck. You can visualize that. You don't want that. Which is why there's this one abuse, this one threat actually, that I've never understood. It's a very common Hindi threat. It's, मैं तेरी मार दूंगा. Okay? And just in case there was any ambiguity, it's usually accompanied by this. Okay. Now, we've been saying it for years, boss. Like, we've said it in every possible situation. Yaar, dena printer, vana madri gun mardu. It's like everything. Phone there, vana madri. Now the problem is, you don't realize what that means till you translate it into English. Now, this is the same fight, but an English translation. You said what? What? You said what to me? Say that again? Say that again, I'll do you from behind. Isn't that technically the threat? Say that again and I'll fuck you up the ass. I mean, how is that a threat? I mean, if you were in Amsterdam, that might be a come on, yeah? Like some guy would be like, really? Another thing I found out about being thin is that, boss, everybody wants to pick on you. I mean, if the guy weighs 5 kilos more than you, he wants to pick on you. And one of the most common things people pick on is what you do. It doesn't matter what you say. And people will ask you, so what do you do? You'll say, I'll say, I'm a poet. Acha, really? Sunao? Sunana. I could say anything. I'm a singer. Gage dega? I mean, they just want to pick on me. So now, since I can't fight, and since I can't say, I want to fuck you up there, I found a new way out. People ask me what I do and I say, I'm an amateur porn star. दिखाओ